Welcome to the Quaycraft quick build video for this kit. This is for the Swordfish Aircraft in 1:128 scale. This kit comprises of resin cast wings fuselage, photo etch from nickel silver material and 3D printed resin parts. Okay, so let's start building this kit. First off, let's attach the lower main wings and the tail wings. Allow to cure before moving on to the photo etch. So it's time to start adding the photo etch. If you look on the top left corner of the image, you'll see the photo etch highlighted, which sections you will need to remove from the fret. Now this is nickel silver, so be careful because it can be brittle if you're folding it too much. Let's start with the tail wing braces for the upper section. These are the V-shaped pieces. Remove and slot into the holes for the tail. Then moving forward onto the lower main wings, we'll do the same procedure, but again slightly different size pieces to suit. Please note that all hand cast resin parts can cure at different speeds, so you will find occasionally parts may not all line up when it comes to adding the photo etch, so some adjustment may need to be done. The next stage is to add the lower bracing for the tail wings. If you'll note on the photo etch, it's in two places. There's similar pieces, but they are larger for the main wings. You'll see that later. Okay, so once you've got the photo etch fitted for the main lower wings and tail wings, we'll need to nip off the old pin for the front of the motor and drill in a hole ready to take the prop, the new 3D printed prop. Okay, so let's move on to fitting the main wing bracing. We start with the inner section first, so the ones closest to the fuselage. This will allow us to get it nice and square. and then move to the outer ones. Now, one thing I will point out at this stage is all hand cast resin can cure slightly differently. So you may find that upper wing holes do not match up with the photo etch below. So you may need to drill new holes or enlarge the holes slightly in the upper wing to fit onto the new photo etch. This is also followed by adding the single braces that tie the upper and lower ailerons together. Once you've got that done and you've aligned all of the top wing to the photo etch, that can be bonded together, and that's complete at that stage. Okay, so let's move on to the undercarriage. These two pieces are very simple to put together. The only thing to remember is nickel silver, it'll only bend once without cracking, after which you risk cracking it. So if you hold the part with the etched piece facing you, fold the items away from you as seen. This will allow you to get a nice clean fold and then glue and attach as seen in the video. Okay, so now the undercarriage is secure, just take the wheels and glue into place, but maybe a little adjustment to get the angle right to fit the photo etch. Attach the torpedo, add the propeller to the hole that you already drilled in the front of the engine housing, and that's your basic model complete, ready to paint and use decals on accordingly.